What's going on, guys? We're making our own reciprocating saw blade out of some sheet metal, cutting this bad boy out with the grinder. Our goal here is to cut through a 2x4 with it. We'll see what happens. Drilling out the locking hole, cutting a nice little fancy tooth pattern in there. Identical. Threw that Diablo trash to the side. Put my sexy blade on. And let's see how it does. Looks like we just about burned the garage down with this one. Good little project if you got 20 minutes to kill and nothing flammable around. Thanks for watching.